What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. We have breaking fourth stimulus check update as of today, Monday, March 29th. Let's get right to the topic of this video, which is a fourth stimulus check update. Over 60 lawmakers now support further direct payments to all Americans. What does this mean? Monthly stimulus check and a fourth stimulus package is being talked about in Congress. Literally over 50%, guys. 60 out of the 100 lawmakers are actually talking about it. Just like I said last week. How many people remember me saying this literally a week ago? And then we have this article just to prove it even further. Fourth stimulus check gained support in Congress as third stimulus check is still being sent out. And if we go in detail right here, a fourth stimulus relief check is gaining momentum in Congress. Who said this? Did I or did I not say this a week ago? Not only that, but I also said in my last video, even though many Americans are still waiting to receive their third stimulus check, it doesn't change the fact that this article, fourth stimulus check update, over 60 lawmakers, literally 60%, guys, are now showing support for further direct payments to all Americans, meaning a fourth stimulus package, and more specifically monthly stimulus check. As we take a look right here further in this article, let's summarize it. Many Americans have been wondering whether there will be a fourth round of stimulus checks. Not only that, will it be a one-time fourth stimulus package, or will it be a reoccurring monthly stimulus check package? Basically, guys, so far 64 congressional lawmakers, guys, over 60%, 64 out of the 100 lawmakers have pushed for reoccurring, one more time, push for reoccurring direct payments until pandemic ends. Let me reiterate this, right? Did I or did I not say this on YouTube a week ago? Was I or was I not the very first person to mention this? Please hit that like button. Please show your support, guys. Let's go more in detail. In January, 2 months before Biden signed the last stimulus package, 53 House Democrats, so literally 11 more Republicans, because it was 53 and now so far 64. Basically 11 more Republicans have joined on since, but regardless, 53 House Democrats pressed Biden and Vice President Harris for, I repeat, for reoccurring stimulus checks in a letter where they insisted that one more check is not enough. In that letter, those lawmakers specifically said, and I quote, "It was very encouraging to see the inclusion of direct cash assistance in your current economic rescue plan." So basically the third stimulus check in the third stimulus check package. However, it is clear that during the unprecedented time in our nation's history that we must take additional unprecedented action. This is what that group said, and basically saying, how come other countries can receive monthly stimulus checks and have been receiving them between, some countries 8 months, some countries the whole 12 months, and how come we only receive 3? How come we haven't been receiving a monthly stimulus check? Now, I'm by no means saying 100% they're going to pass. I'm not saying that. I'm just keeping you guys up to date with the most latest and greatest stimulus check news, and you guys are adults. If you want 100% legitimate, real news before anybody else, name me one other, YouTube channel that talked about this a week ago. I was the very first person, guys. Please show your support. Please hit that like button. Share this on social media, right? If you have a Facebook, a Twitter, an Instagram, you want to share this, guys. You want as many people know about it to get behind this, to support it, guys. If you guys like this, like I said, I have a source that's been working inside Senate for over 5 years. And if you want your voice to be heard, guys, if you want these Republicans, these lawmakers, these people in Congress, if you want them to see your support, that you want monthly stimulus checks, share this on social media. Hit that like button. Every single time you hit a like, and it lets us be heard. I'm just like one of you guys, right? I don't make $1 million. I work a 9 to 5 just like you, and I give away all my money. On my channel, guys, I post daily videos. I do free Amazon gift card giveaway every single day. And in the last 12 months, guys, I've given over 1,100 people free Amazon gift cards. I've given away over $21,000 out my own pocket. And my last 2 stimulus checks, I've yet to receive the third one. My last 2 stimulus checks, not only did I give away every single dollar, and not only that, but during the month of December, when Christmas was happening, I seen a lot of people in the comments saying, "Oh, I don't have money to buy my kid or my grandkid a gift." Every single day, not only did I give away free Amazon gift cards valued between $10 to $50 every single day on top of that daily giveaway, I picked one person in the comment that was a member, right? And I know you're a member because you hit that join button, you have a diamond next to your name. Every single month, not only did I do free Amazon gift card giveaways, I also picked one member that has a diamond. You have to hit join, and I gave them free Christmas gifts, guys, every single day the whole month. I spent over $5,000 just helping people. I'm not saying this to show off, by no means. I'm saying I'm a regular person just like you, but I genuinely care about you guys, right? And on the whole last year, all the money I made on my YouTube, I given away. I given it back to my subscribers. I care about you guys. I want to be your voice. I want to represent the small people, right? You know how many YouTubers out here make $10,000 a day, me, Kevin, and have even helped out 10,000 people? Meanwhile, I don't even make $10,000 a year, and I've given away every single dollar that year, and I've already helped over 1,100 people, guys, each individual people. Please hit that like button. Please share this on social media. It would be greatly appreciated because it would really help spread my, the news about my channel. And the more people that actually support, the more people hit this join button for only $1, guys, the bigger community we have, the more money I would actually make to be able to give away to help more people. If I made $1 million in 1 year off YouTube, guys, I'd rather help 1 million people out than make $1 million. Please support me. Hit that like. Sorry I went off there. there for a while, guys, talking about that. I didn't mean to just go off on a tangent, but I'm just genuinely passionate about this. I care about you guys. I genuinely care about my subscribers. I want to be the voice for the small people, for the people that work 9 to 5, for people that aren't millionaires. You have these big YouTubers who are literally millionaires off YouTube and don't even help their subscribers. Without your subscribers, you're absolutely nothing. But that's besides the point. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all your support. I genuinely love you guys. You are literally my family. Now, 64 Washington lawmakers want relief checks to be reoccurring, starting with the fourth stimulus, while many are still waiting on a paper check for their third stimulus check package. In my last video, I talked about Congress not wanting, put anything out there, and with many people still waiting to receive their third stimulus check, they didn't want to, make them feel left out. They didn't want them, cause commotion, cause worry, cause doubt. But literally today, Monday, I have reports from my source again that hasn't been wrong that they're going to actually start sending out more stimulus check this week, and hopefully by the end of the month, by the 31st or the 1st of next month, most people, 80 to 90%, will actually have received their third stimulus check. That's why right now these articles are coming out, these latest and greatest fourth stimulus check update. Basically, a group of 11 progressive senators, including Bernie Sanders and Elizabeth Warren, earlier this month urged Biden to make stimulus payments and extended unemployment and ongoing during the next spending bill. What does this mean, guys? A lot of people, big congressmen, senators, lawmakers, are urging Biden, right? Literally 64%, 64 out of the 100 are urging Biden not only to make a fourth stimulus check package and include a fourth stimulus check, but to make them reoccurring monthly stimulus checks, guys. Please let me know what you think in the comments. I read every single comment. Please support the video. Please enter the giveaway. Like I said, to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. I'll pick one winner in the comments when this video hits 500 likes. If you want to support me, all the money goes to charity. You could either hit that white join button, become a member. It only costs 99 cents. Or I've had a lot of people actually say I prefer using Patreon. I made a Patreon link in the description. It's just $1 to join. Hit this join button. Now, if you actually want to check out my channel, I do have a clothing line brand. I have a store, and on that store, you'll see 100% cotton shirts. Very, very good quality, 100% cotton. Good detailing on the design, guys. I made all these designs myself. And the best part of all the shirts are $19.99, and all the money goes to charity. So if you want to support my channel, if you want to support daily giveaways, daily news, 100% legitimate news, guys. No other source is more up to date and 100% legit than me. I never make up stories, guys. I never lie. I never tell you one you want to hear. I never manipulate you guys. It's not about getting money or likes or views for me. It's just about spreading the truth and giving them nothing but 100% legitimate news, right? If I make a source or if I make a rumor, I say, listen, this is not concrete information. And even if people don't want to hear it, I say 100% the truth. You guys are adults. You deserve to know. Knowledge is power. Please support my channel, daily videos, daily giveaways. Hit that like, be subscribed, comment. That's it for today, everyone. Have a great day. Peace.